Good afternoon, folks. Right, well, today I have the wonderful little WPL D12. Now, as you can see, the box looks like it was kicked all the way here. Now, I did open the end of the box because I wanted to make sure that the truck wasn't damaged. So, it appears to be intact, which is a good thing. So, difficult to do with this camera, unfortunately. That there, where I can see what I'm doing. Get the truck pulled out. The box put away. It's difficult to see with the clear plastic, isn't it? Just how battered that has been. But the plastic that they use to wrap the truck in is extremely resilient. I love the fact that the sellotape, or sticky tape, you don't want to call it sellotape, that they use has branding on it. Right. Oh, for God's sake. What have we got here? Try doing this. Right. Throw that away. Hey. Interesting. Right, let's get the truck out the pack. Nothing else on the I like the pistol grip. And even for my small fingers, that is good. That is very good. Because I don't need to change the electronics in that now. Because that's the problem that I have with a lot of trucks. My fingers, and especially my thumbs, quite short. So it makes it very difficult to reach the steering wheel in a lot of cars. Right, let's have a look at this. Now, the great thing about this early one, certainly for us here in the UK, I can't see any, I can't show what the interior is like, unfortunately. Over here we are right hand drive, so this early batch really suits us. What all have we got in this little parts bag? See if I can, it's not the easiest to do. That's yes. battery on the underside. Well, that just pushes up quite nicely. Right, we have little battery charger. Tip them all out actually. Panic bar for the back of the cab. Wing mirrors. Plus a metalized chrome insert. Hey. Also WPL sticker sheet. Hopefully these will show up. Two side indicator lenses. A spare prop shaft yoke. Two spare rod ends. And a titchy tiny little screwdriver. The remote is that held shut with this? It's held shut with a screw. That's a great lover of these. Let's have a look at the underside of the truck while I'm here. Yeah, there's a big difference. Or is it just me? Appears to be more. Good. Right. That screw there, really, that screw there is marginally longer than that screw there, which is giving that spring slightly more flex than that one. So I would need to back that off just a touch to even them out. And a nice spring. Front independent front suspension. It's basically a pardon me. It's basically a torsion spring. Which, as we know, as you've seen from other vehicles, plastic. As you've seen from other reviews, it comes out the upper arm onto the chassis, down to around here, crosses the chassis, back up. That's a really complicated bit of spring bending to get that to fit. But it makes life so much easier. It gives you a far better flex than shocks would. Because it's basically giving you all the advantages of a shock spring, but without the bulk. For me, I can't drift this here. Oh, good grief! Yeah, I see what they mean. I see what you mean when you say the tyres are hard. Good grief! Wow. Having said that, they're really quite sticky. They're extremely hard, and there's no give. But they're these are going to be very grippy. Right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and a clip. Battery. Yeah. Hate these. Right, 500 milliamp. Right, I'm going to try something. Give me a second. Sorry about that. Right, now the stock ones are 500. Good. That will go in there. Now I can't get it back in. It's not that it's stuck, it's just the angle. And that is a 700 milliamp. And yep. The biggest that I can put in this, if it will show up, that is the largest battery I can get in there. A 2-cell 900 milliamp LiPo. So I can run 900s in it, 700 Lions in it, as well as the little kit 500. And that only just fits. That's the largest battery that you can fit into that tray. That's an 1100, but you can tell just by looking at it that is far too thick to fit in there. Lengthwise it's ever so slightly too long, and widthwise it's just slightly too big. Not much bigger than the 900, but big enough that it's going to fill. So these are my three options: a 5, a 7 or a 9. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting truck to experiment with. Don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I am not really a drift lover. But after Mallet's Thatch, yeah, this might make a nice little delivery truck. See what I can come up with. Now, this was actually the colour I'd asked for, but they said, no, we've only got silver. So I'm really, really pleased to get the cream one. Yes, excellent. It just dawned on me there, this wasn't silver. Right, well, this is just a little unboxing and give my thoughts on it. Pity the doors don't open, but hey, for what we're getting, it's a very, very nice piece of kit. Ah, yeah, there are. It's difficult to see. I'll need to strip the cab interior out and see what I can do about getting that all touched up. Get the dials painted in, radio painted up. Yeah, this is going to be a really good little truck to work on. I'm really looking forward to getting this outside for a run. See what it does. But it's only two-wheel drive, so can't off-road with it. Nor would I really intend to. Right, well, hope you enjoyed today's look at my new truck. And this probably really will be the last truck that I buy. So, please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. That's all for today, folks, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.